everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate, and I am coming on with another entry. Yay! This is for from Elisha Wagman, and this is my 6th entry. So yay! I'm excited! Yay! Now I have to find some scissors. What? I found the scissors. Yay! I couldn't find them. I didn't know where I had to place them. I've been working on projects all day, so I was a little lost. So anyways, look at this tape. Look it. This is cute. Oh my goodness. Look it. That is so awesome. So there you go. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm so excited. Let's see. Anything that I'm not supposed to? Oops. And I am. Oops. I put something in here. Not a good thing. Let me see. I thought I saw. Maybe I should just go like this. Oh, I'm gonna have to put some tape on there. Oh no. This is what Elisha sent me. Look at all the glitter. Yay, so I cut here a little bit. It's okay, I'm gonna put some tape on it. I love this color, my favorite color. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Look at all these goodies. Look at, my son's right here next to me looking at everything. Look at, this is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, where do I start? Maybe with this. Oh my god, look at all this glitter. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at the little unicorn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a party. It's a party here in my desk. Yay. My son's laughing. Oh well. This is her card, and let me go ahead and read it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I see so many lovely things. Oh, look at this. How pretty. I like the scenery. It's a beautiful scenery. Aww. Oh, thank you, Elisha. Oh, that's so awesome of you. Oh my gosh. We just found each other here on YouTube, and I am loving her channel. She is just so awesome. I love her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So she made this. Oh, sorry. I am so totally out of frame. She made this. Isn't this cute? I think this is a tag. Oh. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh my goodness. Oh. Party in my bag. Oh. Look it. Ah, sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm like really out of frame. Like, so this is a cute flamingo, and she put a little bow here, and then she put happy stuff, and that's up here. And she did this crate rosette, and she put some I want to say she either put glitter or she what is it, when Costello did. There you go. And then she die cut these right here. These are really pretty, and I think she used some of the Maggie Holmes paper. And look at this. This is so beautiful. Wow. Let me go ahead. And let me go with this one. Look at this bow. Oh, look at this cute bow. This is so cute. This is gonna go to my granddaughter. My grandbaby. I miss my grandbaby a lot. And she put some ephemera. Oh no, wait. This here's her information. Oh, this is her memory dex card. Oh my goodness, she layered a lot of it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, you guys, look. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. That is so thoughtful. So much confetti. Oh my goodness. Look at, she did all these layering. This is so beautiful. I would have never thought something like that. So she layered and layered and layered. So she has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 to 10 pieces of ephemera on her doily. Sorry, I'm like totally out of frame. Isn't that cute? I love the flamingo. Oh my goodness. And let me just share some of her information. Just gives me her phone number, her email, and random facts. Drinks 6 cups of coffee a day. So do I. Favorite colors are teal and turquoise. Yay! Her birthday is November the 17th. Crafted dream is anything chasing dreams. Oh, making aspiration a really dimensional shaker. Me too, because I don't know how to do that yet. Crafty one, a Maggie Holmes banner, and she loves dogs, Diet Coke, sappy movies, and anything artful. Aw, I will show you the bag, but there's too much information, and I do not want to show her personal information. So, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this party confetti. Oh my goodness. Oh, and she sent me these cute stickers. Oh my goodness. Look at the little lady. Oh my gosh, it's like popped out and it's so awesome. The swan. And then she put this ephemera with this right here. And that's cute. And I think she punched it with the star punch. That's an awesome idea. Really awesome. I would like I said, I'm still learning as I go, as you know, here too. I don't know everything, and I don't know much at all. I'm still learning. And let me see. I'm sorry. I want to save. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I don't want to take a long time. I apologize. I hope everybody had a good day today. Anything new happen? Any exciting news? My kids will be going on vacation. I want to say in about 8 more days, 8 more business days. So I'll have them here at home. I don't know how I'm going to be doing videos and all this stuff. Oh, look it. Oh, I have not seen this. Not seen it at my, I think she got a Hobby Lobby. More confetti, yay. Let's see what she put in here. I guess I'm going to have to tear this up. I love this tape. Or washi tape. She did pretty good on this wrapping. And oh my goodness. OMG. OMG. I'm sorry, I can't say your name right. She did an amazing job in this pocket letter or envelope or bag or folder. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Look you guys. OMG, this is a paper clip. Oh my gosh, she is doing pretty well. For being a new crafter, she is doing really well. Oh, I love this bow. Look at this bow, you guys. This is a beautiful bow. Look at this. Look at the watermelon. This. Oh my goodness, she popped it out. I don't know if you guys could see that. And this is another paper clip. I love how she did the little folder or the folder in here. I think there's nothing back in there. Oh my goodness, she did awesome. And then I love these little sandals. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. You guys see this? This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love how she used all this paper. OMG. Oh, and then she did I can't say the word. Oh my goodness. I am like lost in words. So she put a whole bunch of ephemera in here. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is so cute. Sorry if I'm out of frame, you guys. You guys know me. I'm always trying to see what I'm getting and trying to show you at the same time, and it's kind of hard sometimes. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I'm good. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Lots of ephemera. Oh my goodness. And go. She did really, really well. Look at this. This is so cute. I love this. And this goes in here, and look at the paper in here. Look at how beautiful. So she did like a little, and she put Velcro on it. Oh my gosh, my words. I'm lost in words. I guess it's too late in the day. A belly wrap. I don't know. I can't say it. And then right here, this is what she put in here. And look at this. Oh my gosh, I love summer. I bet she does. She's gonna be going on a nice vacation. Look at, oh my goodness. And look at this little, oh my goodness. I love this. This is so cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. Awesome. I love how she did the pocket. There's a pocket going this way, and there's another pocket going this way. So awesome ideas. Awesome ideas. And look at, see? Really outdid herself. And then she inserted these in here. This is so cute. Yes, coffee first. Coffee first every morning. Yes, definitely. And then she put these in here. And then she put, I don't want to ruin the flamingo. No. Oh, how do I open this? I don't want to ruin him. He's so cute. Be good. Nice. Aww. And then on this little envelope, she did distressed it a little bit, so that's awesome. And then she put some cute mason jar foamy stickers. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. And then to top it off, she put a little die cut, a little ice cream die cut. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. And then let me see in the back. Oh my gosh, there's some more stuff in the back. Oh, I didn't see this. She did another paper clip with some ephemera and some banners here on the side. And then, oh, look at this detail. Look at this. Oh wow, very creative. And you know what? I think she said she didn't do a good job. She outdid herself. Really, I would have never thought of something like this and would have not made nothing like that. And look at these. Oh my goodness, I love these. These are so cute. Put these back in here. And then she did her little shaker back here. That's cute. I love this paper. And this, oh my gosh, and there's another pocket. Let me see. Oh, and more die cuts. Yes. Oh, look at the Easter eggs. Oh, how cute. You know, I think these are the ones that I saw, I want to say, at Tuesday morning, and I never got them. And I thought they were so adorable. Oh my goodness, I love them. Okay, that's it. Anyways, I think that's it. Put that back in here. This goes back in here. Elisha, you did really, really awesome. You like really outdid yourself. I just love this. I think that was it, right? Oh no. And then she put, oh, this is the confetti. And she put this sticker set in here too. Aren't these cute? These are so adorable. Anyways, I'm gonna put her channel down on the description below. Check her channel out. She is a starting crafter. She's doing really awesome. Check her out. She has a challenge going on right now. Check that one out. You still have till the 18th for that one. And Elisha, thank you so much for everything. I love it all. And everybody, we will see you guys on our next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch. And Elisha, again, you really outdid yourself. You did an awesome job. Don't underestimate yourself. You are doing awesome. Thank you.